Welcome to this unboxing video by Gunpla Warrior. Today we'll be looking at the G-Cannon Magna model kit by Bandai. This model kit was obtained from HobbyTown USA. Here we have the front of the box, which includes specifications for the unit. Then we've got the various sides of the box with pictures of the model. Okay. Inside we have 3 plastic bags of runners, a loose runner, and the instruction book. The instruction book has a full color front and back. On the inside we have pictures of the color accurate completed model, as well as the instructions. This book folds out. On the runner guide, on more modern model kits, it will have an X over the pieces that you don't use. On this kit, it lists them down here. On the loose runner, we have the leg pieces, the waist pieces, as well as the body and backpack of the original G Magna, or the original G-Cannon, not the Magna. In this small bag, we have gray accent pieces, as well as these ankle parts. We have some boosters. These are for attaching the skirt parts. This is part of the leg mechanism. Refocus, please. We have hand pieces and pieces for the G-Cannon quadruple machine cannons for the shoulders. Not the Magna cannon, but the G-Cannon quadruple machine cannons. In this bag, we have the G-Cannon quadruple machine cannon bodies. We have the G-Cannon head. We have the arm pieces. We have these polycaps. These shoe accents. And this lens piece for the head. Now, so far, those have been pieces for the original G-Cannon model kit. This model, in case you didn't know going into this video, contains all the parts to make a standard G-Cannon. In this last bag, we have another sticker sheet. And here, we have the runners that convert the model into the Magna. Here we have the body, backpack, and shoulders for the Magna. And here we have the cannons and head for the Magna. Now you may notice that unlike more modern Bandai kits, this kit is not nearly as color accurate out of the box. So for example, these cannons should be sort of gunmetal gray kind of color. This first sticker sheet has accents for the head, body, and waist. And then this one has more optional detail parts. So where the smaller sticker sheet was for trying to create color accuracy, this is for trying to make the model look cooler, more accented. And that's everything that comes in the box for the G-Cannon Magna model kit by Bandai in 1992. Thank you for viewing this unboxing video. If you like it, please consider liking and subscribing. If you have any questions about the kit, please leave them down in the comments. This has been a Gunpla Warrior video.